Alright. Yeah. Alright.
First of all, when you wake up in the evening and the day is shot, find yourself complaining about the things you ain't got. Never goes just the way that you want it to. Cliche of the day, c'est la vie, that's just life. It ain't easy. It's so tough. It ain't easy.
What you gonna do? Say what you gonna do?
Put a smile on your face and make the world a better place. Smile on your face.
What you gonna do? Say what you gonna do?
Put a smile on your face and make the world a better place. Smile on your face.
What you gonna do? Say what you gonna do?
And another thing, you can say that I'm a dreamer and you think it's uncool, preaching about the better life I learned in school. But you get what you give in this life that we live, and all that you do will come back to you. Life